Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to remove face lock in our Vivo phone. Guys, you want to remove your face lock, so guys you can remove. And guys, now let's see how to remove face lock in our Vivo phone device. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So guys, now let's start video how to remove face lock. So friend, first of all open your phone setting to remove your face lock. Then guys scroll it and guys click on your security setting, tap here. Guys click on your face, guys draw your pattern, scroll and guys you can see clear physical data. So guys tap here and ok. So a face lock will remove in your Vivo phone. So as you cannot use your face lock in your Vivo phone device. So I hope friends you have understood how to remove face lock. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet in the next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.